Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about estimation. So let's start with that. Rounding numbers. In our daily life we come across several situations involving the use of numbers. Sometimes we do not state the exact number as an answer to the questions which requires us to tell about how many. Instead, we put forth a number which is the nearest multiple of 10 or 100 or 1000, etc. This is known as rounding the number to the nearest 10 or 100 or 1000, etc. As the case may be, study the following example. Example number 1. Suppose there are 3482 students in a college. Okay, beta? If someone asks, how many students are there in the college? You would say that there are about 3500 students in that college. We have rounded 3482 to the nearest 100. Okay, I hope you understood. Now rounding off to the nearest 10. Rule number 1. Examine the digits at ones place. Rule number 2. For rounding of a number to the nearest 10, we look at the digits in ones place. If it is the less than 5, we replaced it by 0, while the other digits will remain same. Okay. Rule number 3, if the digits at the ones place is 5 or more, we replace it by 0 and increase the digits in the tens place by 1. Okay, I hope you understood rule number 1, 2 and 3. The following examples will make the ideas more clear. Example number 2. Round off each of the following numbers to the nearest 10. First one is 613. Solutions. The given number is 613. Its ones digits is 3. Ones की digits 3 है. Which is less than 5. ये 5 से छोटी है. So, replace the ones digits by 0 while the other digits will remain same. So, rounded number is 610. 3 का 0 बन गया और जो बाकी के जो नंबर थे वो सेम रहे. Okay, I hope you understood. So, now next. B part. The given number is 827. Its ones digit is 7 which is greater than 5. अब ये तो 5 से बड़ी है. So, replace the ones digits by 0 and increase the tens digits by 1. So, rounded number is 830. 7 का 0 बन जाता है और जो 2 है उसका हमारा 3 हो जाएगा. Okay बेटा, I hope you understood. C part. The given number is 2755. Its ones digits is 5. So, replace the ones digits by 0 and increase the tens digits by 1. So, rounded number is 2760. Similarly, D part, just read and practice well. Now, example number 3. Think of rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Write the numbers which can be rounded to 570. Solutions. By adopting the rule for rounding the numbers to the nearest 10, we find that the numbers that can be rounded to 570 are 565, 566, 567, 568, 569, 571, 572, 573 and 574. Okay, I hope you understood. Now rounding off to the nearest 100. अब हम पढ़ेंगे rounding करना 100 का. So rule number 1 is examine the digits at tens place. अब हमने tens की place को देखना है हमने. Okay. Rule number 2. For rounding of a number to the nearest 100, we look at the digits in the tens place. If it is less than 5, अगर तो ये 5 से छोटा है, we replace the digits at tens and ones place by 0 and do not change the other digits. Rule number 3, if the digits at the tens place is 5 or more, we replace the digits at the ones and tens place by 0 and increase the digits at the 100 place by 1. I hope you understood rule number 1, 2, 3. The following examples will make the ideas more clear. So, see the example number 4. Round off each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. First one is given 1729. Solutions. The given number is 1729. Its tens digits is 2. इसकी tens की digits हमारी 2 है. Which is less than 5, जो हमारे 5 से छोटी है. So, replace each one of tens and ones by 0 and keep the other digits will remain same. So, rounded number is 1700. I hope you understood well. So, now next, B part. The given number is 6472. Its tens digits is 5. इसकी जो tens की digits है वो 7 है. Which is greater than 5. जो हमारा 5 से क्या होता है? बड़ा है. So, increase the hundreds digits by 1 and replace each one of the tens and ones digits by 0. So, rounded number is 6500. I hope you understood well. Similarly, 5452 का आप देखोगे उसके tens की value. Similarly, D part में 157718. इसमें भी आप देखोगे कि टेंस के डिजिट्स में 1 है जो कि आपका क्या है लेस देन 5 है एंड जस्ट रीड एंड प्रैक्टिस वेल बेटा ओके सो नाउ मूव ऑन एग्जांपल 5 थिंक ऑफ राउंडिंग टू द नियरेस्ट 100 व्हाट नंबर्स कुड बी राउंडेड टू 1800 ओके सॉल्यूशंस clearly all the numbers from 1750 to 1849 can be rounded to 1800 to the nearest 100. In a similar process, we may round off the large number. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of that one. So, now rounding off to the nearest 1000. अब हम 1000 का देखते हैं. Rule number 1 is examine the digits at 100 place. 1000 का nearest करने के लिए अब हम उससे पहले 100 का देखते हैं. Rule number 2. For rounding of a number to the nearest 1000s, we look at the digits in the 100 place. If it is less than 5, we replace the digits at hundreds, tens and ones places by zeros and do not change the other digits. Okay. Rule number 3 is if the digits at 100 place is 5 or more, we replace the digits at the hundreds, tens and ones places by zeros and increase the digits at the thousands place by 1. Okay, I hope you understood. The following examples will make the ideas more clear. Example number 6. Round off each of the following numbers to the nearest 1000. First one is given 8371. Solutions. The given number is 8371. Its digits at 100 place is 3. 3 है जो कि हमारा 5 से छोटा है. Okay. So, replace each of the one of the digits is at hundreds, tens and ones by 0 and keep the remaining digits will remain same. So, rounded number is 8000. I hope you understood well. Similarly, 9629 का आप देखोगे इसके 100 की प्लेस पर 6 है जो कि हमारा क्या है 5 से बड़ा है. So, increase the digits as 1000 by 1 and replace each of the digits as hundreds, tens and ones by 0. So, rounded number is like 10,000 like this. Similarly, C part, D part just read and practice well beta. Okay. So, now move on exercise 9.1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. अब हमने क्या करना है ये numbers देखें इसको nearest 10 में करना है. So, first is 4516. So, 4516 तो जो हमारा इसका नियरेस्ट 10 होगा विच इज 4520. ओके. सिमिलरली 405 का हमारा क्या बन जाएगा 405 का जो नियरेस्ट हमारा होता है नंबर विच इज 410. We just recently read the rule. Okay. So these are the other examples. You have to solve the other one yourselves beta. ठीक है. These question answers. So now move on estimations. To estimate means to make a guess. Estimation का मतलब होता है कुछ guess करना. Okay. By estimating the numbers, we can get a rough idea of the correct answers to our questions. We can estimate the numbers by rounding them off to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. Estimation ऐसे निकालते हैं ना, so just rough idea होता है हमारा. Now estimating sums. अब estimating sums क्या होते हैं? Let's see. For estimations of the sum of the given numbers, we round off the given numbers and then find their sums. The following examples will make the ideas more clear. Example 1. Estimate each of the following sums to the nearest 10 and find the actual sums. First one is given 54 plus 99. Solutions. We have एस्टिमेटेड सेम्स क्या हो गया हमारा 54 का अगर राउंडेड करेंगे तो 50 हो गया, नियरेस्ट हमारा क्या हो गया 10. ओके 99 का क्या हो गया राउंडेड टू एंड नियरेस्ट 10. सो 50 और 100 मेक्स नंबर 150 और एक्चुअल क्या हो गया 54 प्लस 99 153. Hence the estimate differs from the actual sums by 3. I hope you understood well. Similarly B part we have estimated sums 39. So 39 का हमारा जो rounded हो गया 40, 42 का हो गया 40, ऐड करोगे 80 और वो हो गया 81 इसका actual sums और इन दोनों का difference हो गया हमारा 1. Okay, I hope you understood well. So now example number 2. There are 167 boys and 222 girls in a library. Estimate the total number of students in the library. Estimate करना है आपको, ठीक है. Solutions. Clearly to estimate the total numbers of students, we round the numbers of boys and girls to the nearest 100 or 10 and add. So rounding of the to the nearest 100 we have estimate क्या निकाला 167 is nearest 200, 222 is 200, so 22 is 400. एक्चुअल कितना हो गया हमारा 167, 222 इज बिकम 389. सो राउंडेड ऑफ द नियरेस्ट 10 वी हैव एस्टिमेटेड सम 170 और 22 का हो गया 220, 390 एंड एक्चुअल हो गया 167 प्लस 22 इज 389. ओके आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दैट वन बेटा. सो नाउ मूव ऑन एक्सरसाइज 9.2. So, estimate each of the following sums to the nearest 10 and find the actual sums also. So, first one is given 7, 7, 6, 3. तो ये तो हो गया इसका actual 7 और 3 10 and 14 140. अब हम क्या निकालेंगे इसका estimate निकालेंगे. तो 77 हमारा 77 का हमारा estimate हो गया 80 और 63 का एस्टिमेट हो गया हमारा 60. तो हम इन दोनों का अगर ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा हो गया 140. सो बोथ द आंसर इज सेम. ओके आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. सो दीज आर द अदर क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू फिल इट योर ओन बेटा. ओके डू इट योर ओन. सो नाउ मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट वन विच इज एस्टिमेटिंग डिफरेंस. फॉर एस्टिमेशंस ऑफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ गिवन नंबर्स we round off the given numbers and then find their difference. Example, estimate the difference 562 minus 354 to the nearest 100, then verify the finding the actual difference. Solutions. Rounding of the numbers to the nearest 100 we have estimated difference 562 का हमारा estimated हो गया 600, 354 का हो गया 400, माइनस करने पे 200 आया like this. एक्चुअल में क्या हो गया 562 में से 354 को माइनस करोगे देन 208. हैंस द एस्टिमेट डिफरेंस फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल डिफरेंस इज बाय 8. ओके सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द एस्टिमेटिंग डिफरेंस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. एक्सरसाइज 9.3. एस्टिमेट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिफरेंस टू द नियरेस्ट 10. ऑल्सो फाइंड द एक्चुअल डिफरेंस. ओके बेटा फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन 97 माइनस 38. सो एस्टिमेशन ऑफ दैट नंबर इज 97 हमारा किसके करीब है 100 और 38 का हमारा क्या हो गया 40. सो आपने क्या करना है इसको माइनस करना है. ये हो गया हमारा एस्टिमेशंस और एक्चुअल क्या हो गया हमारा 97 और 38 को आप क्या करोगे माइनस. 7 में से 8 17 बना. सो 8 के बाद हमारा कितना हो गया ये आ गया 9 और यहाँ पर आ गया 8 में से 3 गया 5. सो this is estimations subtractions or this is actual subtractions. Okay so I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions you have to solve it by your own beta. Okay so now move on next topic which is estimating products. For estimations of the products of given numbers we round off the given numbers and then find their product. Example number 1. Estimate the product of 42 and 78. 42 estimated to the nearest 10 is equal to 40. 42 का nearest हो गया 40. 78 estimated to the nearest 10 is 80. Hence, the estimated product of 42 and 78 is equal to 40 into 80, which is 3200. Okay, I hope you understood well example number 1. Now example number 2. Estimate the product of 486 into 118 by rounding off each of the numbers to the nearest 100. So 486 का nearest हो गया 500, 118 का nearest हो गया 100. Okay? Hence, estimated product क्या हो गया, दोनों को multiply करने पे you will get 50000 which is 50,000. I hope you understood well. Similarly, example number 3, 283 का हमारा estimated हो गया 300, 253 का 200, multiply you will get 60,000. Okay, I hope you understood. Now move on exercise 9.4. Estimate each of the following products by rounding off each numbers to the nearest 10. अब आपने क्या करना है, nearest 10 करना है, उसके बाद इसको multiply करना है. So 62 का nearest हो गया 60, 59 का nearest हो गया 60. So multiply both the number. 6 6 are 36. So 36 and 0. So 3600 is the answer of that one. Okay, I hope you understood well. So with this we ended the chapter. Just do practice well and do rest of this exercise by your own beta. Okay.